Hey guys, welcome to Body Genetics. You can elevate your body genes by just doing the right exercises. My name is Neeraj Mehta and I welcome you all in my fitness channel. Today I brought to you the fastest 50 fat loss circuit. In this particular circuit, we'll be performing 4 exercises followed by 4 minutes of walk. These 4 exercises has to be done as fast as possible so that you can challenge your intensity, and then followed by 4 minutes of moderate to low intensity walk. You can perform 4 to 5 sets of these exercises followed by 4 minutes of walk after every circuit. Make sure your warm-up is must before the workout in order to get ready for the workout. We are performing 4 exercises. These are: number 1, conventional deadlift. We'll be doing 15 reps. The second exercise is power clean and push press. We'll be doing 10 reps of this workout. The third will be burpees. We'll be doing 15 reps of this exercise. The fourth is toe to bar. We'll be doing 10 reps of this workout. So do as fast as possible and try to challenge your intensity. Let's get started, guys. After completing the circuit, 4 minutes of walk, then repeat the circuit.